Morning, campers. I'm going to show you how to make a longer car body for our rubber band cars and still keep the um, relationship between the axle and where the posts are the same. So to do that, you're going to take a standard car body and you're going to copy it and paste it so that you have two of them. We're going to need two of them. And then what we're going to do is we're going to line them up a little bit so we can figure out how long we want the whole thing. Don't worry about this second post at this point. We're just looking for length. I want about 140. So I'm going to just shove this in until I get to about 140. You can check it by selecting both of them. That's close, 139. And then clicking on the corner. You get to the right 140. That's what I want, 140. You can have yours whatever. I just chose that for this experiment, I'm doing 140. Okay, so they're next to each other, but they're really separate. You're going to take one of them and ungroup it. Okay, so one is still grouped, and they're not glued together. Neither one of these bodies are glued together. What I need is I need this post and this axle hole to be the same distance as this axle hole and this post that's actually going to be a hole. So what I don't need is this one in the middle, the red one. So I'm going to get rid of that one. Goodbye. And when I get rid of it, I'm going to select it and just delete it because I don't need that one. So if I do this right and I group it, still 140, it is, and group this, I have a longer car body, but it's got a little extra nubby, a little extra hole in it that I don't want. So I'm just going to go and grab a cylinder and make the cylinder 5 high. Whoops, 5 high. And oops, 5 high. And then it only needs to be like 10 wide, and that works. Let's see if that, whoops. Well, fine, I'll put you over here first. And then I'm just gonna make it a little smaller, a little narrower, but still keeping that height of 5. Because I'm just gonna fill in my hole. And you notice it's kind of got that weird little, it's sparkly. That means those two shapes are the same size, at the same height. Now I'm going to group that, and wait a second. And now I have a beautifully lengthened car body.